Hi guys, this video is special for you only. Before starting the video, I should say a big thank you to all of my valuable subscribers who supported me to reach 57k subscribers on my YouTube channel. Today what I have achieved is possible because of you guys only. Without your support, I never even thought to reach 50k subscribers. This video is a video for giveaway to reach my goal to 75k subscribers. The winner will get a brand new 3D printer. You must be curious to know which 3D printer I am going to give you. The answer is my favorite 3D printer Creality CR10. This giveaway is in conjunction with the GearBest September promotion. To enter into the contest, all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is mandatory, like my Facebook page, buy anything from GearBest with a order amount of minimum $2. The last two options are not mandatory. This giveaway will start from today 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time and the closing time is 11:59 p.m. of 16th September. After completion of this giveaway, I will declare the winner on my YouTube channel and will personally contact to the winner for asking the shipping address. The link for the giveaway is given in my video description. At last, I wish good luck to all of my subscribers to win the contest. Please subscribe my YouTube channel so that I can reach my goal of 75,000 subscribers. Your help is very important for me. Thank you so much. Have a good day.